guys, what is up? So today I'm going to be doing a decluttering and organizing video of my makeup, but basically I'm super disorganized and I have too much and need a new storage. So hate to be basic, but I got one of those like tall Alex drawers so I can, you know, put my makeup in it. We built it. We're still working on the drawers, but I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing my makeup from like concealer to foundation, primer, mascara, all that stuff, so I can start categorizing it and like putting it in little bunches so I can figure out what drawer and what organizer I'm gonna put them in. This drawer right here just has a bunch of lashes and powders and blushes and stuff like that. This is what I'm emptying out right now. I think I have a blush palette somewhere too. I don't know where that hoe is. I'll go through all the stacks individually. I think that's how I'm going to declutter them, but I gotta sort them out first. So those are all my lashes. Those are my powders, the like press powders. Bronzers and contour over there. Some of my loose powders over here. I have more in the top drawer up there. And then I have my pressed powders, I think I already said that, and then blushes over there. So with lashes, I think I just mostly have a lot of the same pair. I kind of went through this a little bit the other day. I have a ton of these, and a lot of Dodo lashes as well, and Kim Tai lashes. But I think I'm going to keep those just because I think lashes are expensive, and I use them on other people. And I'm not good at cleaning them, so I just need to keep a lot of them because I go through them pretty fast. And then for powders, I don't like this Makeup Revolution one. I just think it's bad, so I'm gonna give that away. I'm gonna give this one away because it's too dark for me. With these contour palettes though, I don't know, sisters. I think I'm gonna give this one away. I don't need both. I could never use any of these highlighting shades because they're so dark. I think it's for a darker skin tone. So I'm going to give this one away. And then maybe keep this one for now. I'll probably go back to that. Next one is foundations and powders and highlights. Ooh, highlights, yum. I'm not excited to do the highlighters because I am going to not get rid of any of them because I love highlighters so much. But, okay, these are the highlighters. I have a few highlighter palettes up there on my top thing, but I'm going to do my palettes like a separate organization thing, you know. I'm keeping all my loose ones. I just have the Artiste Couture one and the two ColourPop ones I just got. I don't need 4 Duffy Star highlighters. I don't like the formula. I don't know why I bought so many. I think I bought them all at once because I don't know. I'm going to go through these in a second. I'm going to keep my ColourPop Flexitarian because I really like it, especially if I'm not like wearing any foundation. Yes. Okay, so these are the highlighters I'm keeping. I know it looks like a lot, and these are the ones I'm giving away. So I think I'm keeping 23 and giving away 13. I know I'm keeping a lot, but I'm also giving away this palette. For powders, I'm giving away the Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage. Keeping my Laura Mercier. I'm keeping my L'Oreal, my Derma Blend, Fit Me. I have 2 Fit Me, so I'm going to give away this Fit Me one. I'm going to keep my RC May because I use it to set my eyes like all the time. I'm going to keep this neutral Airspun, the one that doesn't have a tint to it. I think I'm going to give away my CoverGirl powder. It's really good, but I just don't really need it. I'm keeping my NYC because they don't sell it anymore and it really does wonders for your skin. I'm keeping my Patrick Star one. I'm going to keep this because I haven't tried it yet. So in total for powders, I'm giving away 6. I like how that's 5. Wow, I love counting. Okay, so I'm giving away 5 and keeping that many. Sorry, ladies. I already kind of went through my powders, I think earlier, I'm pretty sure I did. But I'm going to keep those because I do use them all and they're kind of all really good. So I'm keeping those. And my blushes over there, I'm keeping as well since I don't have that many. And I'm going to go through my eyeliners and mascaras now. For mascaras, I'm not giving them away though because I did use all these at one point. And that's low-key a little gross, and they're probably, a lot of them are probably really old. So I'm gonna go through those hoes. Actually, I think mascaras and eyeliners are pretty boring, so I'm not gonna go through these, but I'll show you the drawer when it's all organized and stuff. Also, keeping a lot of the foundations. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep all of these, but I'm gonna give away these 2 because they're way too dark for me. So this is what my makeup looks like currently. You probably saw it in the thumbnail, but right now I'm gonna do concealers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys like what I end up keeping. But I've been kind of organizing this. I'm trying to figure out how to organize it correctly because I got like little dividers. And I'm also gonna organize my lip liners, which are somewhere down there. And then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is all the concealer I'm keeping. And this is all the concealer that I'm giving away or throwing away because I did use a lot of it and a lot of it's kind of old. I have like a matte concealer, some Catrice one, a L'Oreal one that I don't like the formula of, a Pixie one. I don't know why I'm giving this away. I just don't remember ever using it. I'm keeping I'm keeping 19 and giving away 13. So I know I'm not giving away that much. I'm not like barely any compared to what I'm keeping, but this is all my primers and setting sprays and stuff like that. And I'm keeping all of this. I know, wow, such a hoarder. I don't use all that at once. These ones I'm giving away. This isn't primer, but I'm also giving away these Stella, whatever. Stella is not correct. But the Fenty one just doesn't go with my skin, and I just don't. I'm not a big fan. And I'm giving away this Too Faced one just because I don't know why I got the liquid one if I have the solid one. I don't know. I'm not even gonna count how much I'm keeping and how much I'm giving away because that's pointless. I'm keeping these brow products and giving away those. This is an e.l.f. one, an Anastasia one, and then I don't know what this is. And then I'm keeping a powder one, a dip brow, and then a Milani dip brow. I'm keeping my Benefit Ka-Brow and then my Precisely My Brow pencils over there. These are all the lip liners, lipsticks I'm keeping that were in my jars, and those are all the lipsticks and liners I'm giving away. I know it's not as much, obviously. I'm on live right now, so there's that. Hey besties. So I'm giving away all this. I don't want to count, but all that I'm giving away, and I'm keeping all that, and then that. I just finished decluttering everything. These are all the things that I'm giving away. I'm sorry I didn't really go in depth with it. This lip palette, this contour kit, this other contour kit, my Subculture, because I used it once for a video and then I just didn't after that. There's just a bunch of things I'm giving away just because they didn't work for me that well and I don't use them. A lot of these palettes are also just really good, but I just don't reach towards them because they don't scream, you know. Hi, it's literally like, my teeth are so yellow, please ignore that, but this is literally a year later. Like, I'm a new person now. I filmed this months ago, but I never posted it, and I just saw the footage of this video and I was like, I didn't upload that. And I mostly didn't because it was super boring when I was editing it. Like, I started to edit it and it just wasn't cute. And I'm also stuttering so much in the video, but I was like, oh, okay, I'll just upload that, and I accidentally deleted like the outro and like me recording what my drawers look like now and like how I organize them. So I guess I'm gonna show that now. It might be entertaining. Maybe. Who knows? I deleted the last clip of it being super clean and cute, and like it's changed a little bit now because I added more things, obviously, because if I have money I'm gonna spend it on makeup because that's what I spend my money on because I'm a smart investor in my future. Haha. Haha, psych! It's the next day. I also didn't film yesterday. Okay, so I didn't film yesterday due to the lack of happiness or joy. I'm packing for California right now, right? You're following me right now? So I packed my makeup and then I was like, why did I do that? Because then I was like, I have to film my collection, and if my collection ain't complete, I'm gonna be mad. I ended up unpacking all the makeup I packed. Okay, so I'm finally gonna finish this video, and I'm super sorry that it took this long. I just have zero motivation to do a single thing. Like, how lazy that sounds. I'm really sad. So laziness, but mostly sadness, I guess. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and film my collection now because that's what you want to see. Am I right, ladies? I don't know. I'll probably just want to like see me like deactivate my account. Okay, this part is not as clean as the thumbnail because I don't have enough room in my room to store things properly. This is what the overall thing looks like. Over here, I put my fave lip products even though I don't like use hardly any lip products. And I like MAC lipsticks, some glosses, and then I have these like, I can't see. I have these cute little book palettes right here because there's nowhere else. Like, how am I supposed to store those in a drawer? And then over here I have my brushes. I have more, but I'm packing them and I don't want to unpack those because that would be super annoying. Up here are my setting sprays and primer waters. They're super dusty, but I use my promise. Also, I got rid of one of these, I promise, in the video, but I got another one because they sent me another one. And then over here, I have more palettes and a crayon box. Now moving on to the part I've been waiting for, the Alex drawers. But before I get to that, I have a little tea with my boy Alex, or girl Alex. It's kind of a unisex name. I look like Snape so much right now. Shaking. This is a weird angle. What am I doing? So these drawers broke on me. I had them for like a week and then they just started falling down like the London Bridge. That's the song. So a handyman had to come through and I fixed them. Just kidding. My mom helped me so much with that. But we fixed the drawers because we had to like add extra screws. So this is just a PSA. They're like really expensive drawers, and if you have to fix them yourself, Just ask yourself before you buy them, is it worth it? Okay, next, because I don't want to endorse a product or like talk about a product that's not good. So these drawers are not good. You have to fix them probably. Anyways, going on to the collection. Okay, so in my first drawer, I have my primer and concealer. If it looks like I have more, that's probably the case. Over here, I have my primers. Primers are my favorite thing in the world. Like, who can relate? Am I being like relatable right now? I probably. Next drawer. This is my lash drawer. I have a lot of the same lash. Over here, I have my sponges and like lash glue and tweezers. I also have more lashes back there as well. Next, I have my, whoa. I hate this drawer. This has a lot of my gel liners, my lip liners, my glosses, my mascaras, and my eyeliners, and a bunch of things that I probably am not using. This is my powder drawer and my bronzer drawer and my blush drawer. On the side I have my loose powders. Over here I have my bronzers and my blushes. And then this is my everyday makeup drawer. Here I have like my favorite eyeliners and mascaras and lip liners and concealers. A lot of things here. And then over here I have like my face products, like my primers, my favorite foundations. Then I have my favorite blushes, my favorite highlighters, powders. This is my glitter and highlighter drawer. I only have bulk glitters because I love bulk glitters. I had a bunch of stuff behind there as well. That's super cute and organized. This is my palette drawer. It's really full. These are my highlighting palettes over here, and then I have more of my main palettes like back here. Like I have my custom palette thing. This is my foundation drawer. Over here I have the foundations that match me and I will use from time to time, and these are the ones I use on other people. Here is my skincare drawer. Yes, we love her so much. I have some Ofra masks. The bougiest thing I own probably is the water cream. It comes with its own spoon. Some more moisturizer, some Glossier skincare, more Glossier skincare, some Pixie skincare. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really sorry this is a mess. I'm sorry if this seems like I'm just putting this up to put it up, but I really wanted to put it up because that day I spent a lot of time on it and I didn't want it to go to waste, and y'all wanted this video, so I'm really sorry for being me. I just wish I wasn't, and I might choke on my own snot. Thanks for watching. Really sorry this was a bust, but I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tolerating me. Bye!